Hello guys, so today I will show you how to change servers in Call of Dragons. So we have two types of server changes. It's going to be migration or creating a new character. So for now, let's start with creating a new character. For that, you gotta go to your profile and character management, and you gotta create a character, and whichever character you got in mind, just put it and search for any season you like, and you gotta click any of them and click confirm. That's the one way of changing servers in Call of Dragons. So for migration, I hope I will make a different video, and I hope you like the video and it was very helpful for you. And for more other videos like this, please like and subscribe, and take care. Bye.